Hello guys, welcome to the Wealthland. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a platform known as Hawkit. Hawkit is an online platform which also has an app where you can perform micro tasks and get paid for each task you perform. There is no limit to how much you can make on Hawkit, and Hawkit doesn't require any referral. This is not a Ponzi scheme or anything. This is just a platform for freelancers. So on Hawkit, there are many features. I'm just going to show you guys the amount I have made and the amount I have spent on Hawkit in just a matter of weeks, and I haven't really been faithful to performing all the tasks. Now there are a bunch of tasks you can perform on Hawkit. So if you have over 1,000 followers or more on any of your social medias, you can actually make more money by posting adverts. But a good way to make money if you don't have up to that is by performing the micro tasks. Here you have tasks like follow people on Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, like and follow a Facebook page, like a photo, post a comment, subscribe to a YouTube channel, view, like and comment on the YouTube video, join a WhatsApp group, download an app from Apple Store, download an app for Google Play Store, follow an audiomark artist, and so more. On Hawkit, you can even make more money, up to 5,000 naira per day, by referring. So every person you bring to the platform, you get 500 naira per every person. And now on Hawkit, if you are a seller, you can actually post adverts of your goods and services to other Hawkit earners. Now let me just show you how to create your account on Hawkit. The link to Hawkit is down below in the description. You can click the link, then you input your full name as I have shown you here. Then after that, you just follow the whole process where you have to put your username, email and password. Now you will have to pay a one-time fee of 1,000 Nigerian naira because you need to activate your membership for you to have access to all the features of Hawkit. Thank you for watching this video.